Hi, this is Watchobi. So now I have on my wrist the King Seiko KSK, the latest one. This is the 140th anniversary design watch of the King Seiko, and I think this is it's more than 18 years since the last King Seiko was launched. So here it is on my wrist. So it is a dress watch, very polished, Zaratsu polishing, nice box sapphire crystal with a date complication. At the moment now, I don't know whether you can hear it, but I just took it out from the box, so the leather strap is still creaking. I think you can hear it. You can just about hear it, the creak. So I think I just need to wear it for a couple of days, and the leather should be seasoned by then. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.